and our God. Thank you for the gift of life, much more for the gift of national political and
kulira kufika malo on president on kufesa wa malamulo dziko la Malawi kuti atumikira kuyendesa dzikoli ngati wachiwiri kwa mtsogoleri. Patsogolo pano ndidzakhala ndikuyitana the current 5th president of the republic, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, kuti nawonso kufotokoza mwena nakambira a chief registrar paja aende adutse patsogolopa kufika malo pena ima honorable chief justice kuti alumbire kuvomereza kutenga mpando umenewu wa president. In a moment, I'll call upon the president-elect of the Republic of Malawi, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, to go and take oath as 7th president of the Republic. If it pleases you, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika.
I'll be reading and you will follow after me. I wish me to be to my right side. You want me to be on my right? I can do that. Better for me. You want to be this side? Would you like to be this side? Because SJ wants me to be on that side. No, he wants me to be on this side. So we could be here. It's okay. Or you speak loud enough. Some problem is your left ear. That can hear you. I'll be very loud. Okay. I'll be there. I can't remember your name. Maybe Innocent. Oh yes.
Ndipo posachedwa hapa president-elect Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika akhala akulumbira ngati president wa 7 wa dziko lino, ndipo malumbiro amenewa motsatana ndi malamulo a Malawi apangidwe motsogozedwa ndi olemekezeka Chief Justice athu Right Honorable Rezin Robert Mzikamanda. Over to you, Honorable Chief Justice.
Your Excellency, you will repeat after me as you take the oath of office. I Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika,
Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika,
do solemnly swear that I will well and truly perform the functions of the high office of President of the Republic of Malawi,
the high post of the President of Malawi,
and that I will preserve and defend the Constitution and that I will do right to all manner of people according to law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
affection, or ill will.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Your Excellency. You take a seat.
Ndinakambira muja iyayi muvina pa nthawi yake koma tipange kaye za mwambo tisatire mwambo tisatire ndondomeko. Ndinakambira muja pa nthawi imeneyi ife akumabwalo tinakonza mphatso mmene zimakhalira mwa malamulo yopereka kwa mtsogoleri wathu amene walumbira kuti agwiritsa ntchito malamulo a Malawi a dziko lino motsatana ndi malumbirowa kupereka symbols of office. Ndipo amene apereke ndi Honorable the Chief Justice of the Republic, Right Honorable Rezin Robert Mzikamanda. Ndipo mphatso zimenezi ndi Malawi National Flag, a presidential standard, the coat of arms of the Republic of Malawi, and the copy of the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi. Izi ndiye zizindikiro zimene malamulo amanena ife kumabwalo opereka kupanga recognize kuti pakali pano mdziko lino tili ndi mtsogoleri wa chinamba 7 amene pakali pano ndi Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika. Patsogolo apo anzathu a Malawi Defense Force nawonso adzapanga mwambo wawo kuperekanso chizindikiro kuti tsopano pali commander, chief commander wosiyana ndi analipoyo. We are witnessing the Honorable the Chief Justice presenting over to the President of the Republic of Malawi, the 7th in tier, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, as Malawi makes history today. And these comprise the Malawi national flag, the presidential standard, the coat of arms, and a copy of the Constitution. Amainde abambo zimene zochitika pano nzoti olemekezeka a Chief Justice a dziko lino ngati mkulu wa mabwalo akupereka zizindikiro kuti mdziko lino tili ndi mtsogano, tili ndi mtsogoleri wa chinamba 7 Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, ndipo zizindikirozi ndi makaka kapena mbendera ya dziko lino la Malawi, presidential standard, coat of arms, komanso malamulo athu akulu achatimanena kuti constitution. Pamenepa a president athu apita kukakhala pa malo awo amene akonzedwa kuti tsopano si president elect ayi, koma tsopano ndiye mtsogoleri wa dziko lino, ndipo mukuona mbendera ipo yofira ya mkango ngati chizindikiro kuti mtsogoleri wa dziko lino Malawi ali pano. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Malawi, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, Vice President of the Republic, Justice Dr. Jane Ansah, SCJA retired. It is now my humble duty to bow down from this double duty where we have witnessed the swearing-in ceremony, ushering you as President and Vice President Republic, respectively. At this moment, I'll now call upon Your Excellency and the Right Honorable the Vice President. I'll hand over to the Directorship of Lieutenant Paul Chipwanya for related processes. Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Justice, for leading Malawi in this occasion, and thank you very much all for having been a good audience. Thank you very much.
Your Excellencies, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, as we have gathered here today to witness the historic swearing-in and inauguration of His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika as the 7th President of the Republic of Malawi, we now turn our attention to a significant moment steeped in military tradition and honor. It is time for the military rituals that will formally empower our new president with the authority to command the armed forces and bestow upon him the esteemed title of Commander-in-Chief of the Malawi Defense Force. This ceremony, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, does not only signify the transfer of power, but also reinforces the vital relationship between our civilian leadership and the military, ensuring the continued security and sovereignty of our beloved nation. To mark this significant segment of our ceremony, our new president will soon be presented with the sword of command, giving him powers to command the Malawi Defense Force. At this moment, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, allow me to call upon Lieutenant Ishmael Nkoma, who will be flanked by Lieutenant Eileen Chikoza, Lieutenant Linus Nkono, Lieutenant Jeremiah Yohane, and Lieutenant Ignatius Lipuka to